Welcome to the WISEdash Public Portal. To navigate to this database, you want to go to the DPI website. The home page is www.dpi.wi.gov. You can click on the Data and Media tab, scroll all the way down, and click on the WISEdash Public Portal. On this home page, you'll see that there are a lot of announcements, resources for user help, and then additional reporting tools. To get started for your CCOT, I would suggest having a list of all of the districts in your community, and then click on the arrow here for dashboards. Under student engagement, you'll want to go to attendance and dropouts. Click on your filter, and you'll want to group by disability status. Make sure you're in the most recent year or the 22-23 school year. You can compare districts if you would like, but then you'll have to do this for each district within your area. And I just so happen to pick on Appleton here. And then if you'd like, you can even narrow it down to high schools. Once you click out of this, you'll see that it brings up different graphs for the attendance rates, and it compares it to state also. And then you have your dropout rate for students with and without disabilities. By gathering this for each district within your community, you might be able to see some trends or if there are some strengths and weaknesses. And then there's also the absenteeism rate here, which goes down, and you can take a look further here. The next area you'll want to go to is under graduation. Go to your high school completion tab. Go to your filter. Make sure you've got disability status, the school year. Here you want to look at the completion credential and look at regular high school diplomas. Again, the district, and you can pick the high school. Taking a look at this, the first graph that's going to come up will give you your 4, 5, 6, and 7-year cohorts. And then also it compares the statewide. Again, it gives you a nice little trend line here that you can see over the last 5 years. And go ahead and play with some of the filters if you would like. The one thing that you cannot do is pick multiple filters within an area. So you cannot click on disability status and race and ethnicity. You can only choose one. The next area would be the CTE, or the Career and Technical Education tab under coursework. In this one, you're going to want to look at 2 different filters. The first one will be under CTE student type and look at participants. Participants are the number of students that have taken one class within a CTE pathway. This you may want to compare with the school's enrollment numbers to get a percentage, so you can take a look and see if this is an accurate count of, we have 90% of our students without disabilities have taken a CTE class, and 90% of our students with disabilities have. So you'll really want to get those enrollment numbers to take a look at the percentages. Then go back into your filter, your CTE student type, and look at your concentrators. These will be students who have completed 2 or more classes in a CTE career pathway. And again, they give numbers, so you will want to take a look and compare that, translate it into a percentage with the enrollment amount. The one graph in the CTE concentrators shows the career pathways that each student took their courses in. This is very helpful. As you can see, the green is our students with disabilities, the blue are students without. And you can take a look and see what career pathways most students are taking. For example, manufacturing has 21 students with disabilities that took 2 classes within that pathway. Take a look at those, see if there are some trends across all of the districts within your CCOT community. And then by looking at the different areas across this information within WISEdash, hopefully you can see some trends. Feel free to take a look at any other information. This even has post-secondary, APs, ACT, graduation overviews. And here's where you'll find your enrollment numbers. If you click on that, and you can take a look here as soon as it comes up. It tells you the percentage, but if you hover over it, you can see that it says 3,819 students without disabilities, 748 students with disabilities. So based on that, you can use those numbers to calculate percentages in the other areas. I hope this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, always reach out to TIG. Thank you.